Hi viewers, welcome to Learning Electrical Engineering channel. In this video, we will solve the problem using Thevenin's theorem. For that, we have taken a problem. The given problem is find the Thevenin's equivalent circuit for the network in the shaded area of the bridge network. This is the bridge network. In this, all the portion is shaded other than this RL part. So, to draw the Thevenin's equivalent circuit, we need to know the two parameters, that is VTH, that is open circuit voltage, and RTH, Thevenin's equivalent resistance. So the VTH is the portion part we need, where after removing this load resistor RL, we need to find out the voltage across the terminals A and B. So for that, we will redraw the circuit. After removing the RL, then we will find out the voltage between A and B terminals. For redrawing this, we will draw the voltage source as it is, that is plus minus E 72 volt voltage source, and here the 6 and 3 ohm resistor is in series, so 6 ohm and 3 ohm resistor is in series. This is 6 ohm, this is 3 ohm, and this is the terminal B. This portion is 12 ohm and 4 ohm, which is also connected in series. So here we will redraw it. This is 12 ohm and this is 4 ohm. The A terminal is between this, and we will complete the circuit. To find out the voltage at terminal B and A, we are going to use the parallel combination formula. In this, the 6 ohm and 3 ohm resistor is connected in parallel with 72 volt. So the current flowing through the 6 ohm and 3 ohm resistor is say I1, and the current flowing through 12 ohm and 4 ohm resistor is say I2. Now we need to calculate the value of I1. I1 is equal to here we will calculate I1 is equal to V by R. V is voltage across this 6 and 3 ohm resistor is 72 volt divided by the total resistance. The 6 and 3 ohm resistor is connected in series, so total resistor is 9 ohm. So the amount of current I1 is 8 amps. Okay. Now the amount of current flowing through the 12 and 4 ohm resistor is I2. Same manner, the 12 and 4 ohm voltage across this 12 and 4 ohm resistor is 72 volt, and total resistance is 12 plus 4 16, which is equal to 4.5 amps. Now we can write here I1 is equal to 8 amps and I2 is equal to 4.5 amps. Now we need to calculate the voltage at this point. So the amount of voltage available at this point is voltage drop across the 6 ohm resistor. So voltage drop across 6 ohm resistor, how can we find? The voltage at point B, VB is equal to 6 into 8, 48 volt is available, and voltage at point A is the voltage drop across 12 ohm resistor. So VA is equal to 12 into 4.5 will be 54 volt. So here 48 volt is available and here 54 volt is available. So the difference is 6 volt is the open circuit voltage or the Thevenin's voltage. Okay, now we have found the VTH value. Now we need to find out the value of RTH. We need to find out the value of RTH. For this, we had removed the RL resistor initially. Now we need to turn off the independent sources. So turn off 72 volt source by short circuiting. Short circuit. When we are doing this short circuit and this resistor is not available, that time we will redraw the circuit to find out the equivalent resistance. So for that we will mark the terminals. The B terminal we will mark it here. This is B and this is A and this is C and this is D. This is for the reference only. Now at terminal B, assume that this is the terminal B. B to C, as well we will assume that C is available here. So between B and C there is 6 ohm resistor. So we will draw as it is. 6 ohm resistor is available. This is terminal B, this is C. 6 ohm resistor is available. And B to D, we will mark the terminal D here. So between B and D there is a 3 ohm resistor is available. 3 ohm resistor is available. Next we will mark the point terminal A here. Now between C and A 10 ohm resistor is available. And between A and D 4 ohm resistor is available. Between C and D there is a short circuit. When we see this circuit, it is looking like the 6 and 3 ohm resistor is in parallel and 12 and 4 ohm resistor is in parallel, and both of these combinations is connected in series. So when we solving this, we will get a value of 6 ohm is in parallel with 3 ohm, 6 ohm is in parallel with 3 ohm. Here 12 ohm is in parallel with 4 ohm. So when we solving this, we will get a value of 2 ohm and 3 ohm. So 2 ohm and 3 ohm. This is the equivalent resistance between terminals A and B, that is 5 ohm. Is the RTH. Now we will draw the equivalent circuit. Equivalent circuit, Thevenin's equivalent circuit. We know that VTH is equal to 6 volt, that is here, this is the value 6 volt, and RTH is equal to 5 ohm, and we will connect back this RL resistor in equivalent circuit. So we will draw the equivalent circuit. Plus minus, this is 6 volt and the resistor is 5 ohm, and then we will mark the terminals A and B. Then we will connect the load resistor RL. From this we can find out the value of IL. So the amount of current flowing through the RL can be found very easily from the Thevenin's equivalent circuit. So the big complex circuit can be replaced with a single voltage source and a resistor which is connected in series with. If you like this video, kindly hit the like button below this video. If you have not subscribed my channel, kindly subscribe it. If you have any doubts, please write it down in the comment box. I will reply. Thank you so much.